front of me is HUAWEI Nova 10 SE, and today I would like to show you how you can manage app notifications on this device. First of all, open Settings. Then you need to scroll down and choose Notifications. Now select Manage All and tap on the switcher next to an app from which you don't want to receive them, like App Gallery. All notifications from App Gallery are now blocked. In order to enable them, select the same switcher. You can always go back and tap on one of your apps over here instead. Then tap on this switcher next to Allow Notifications to switch them off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!